Once upon a time there was a little girl named Lucy Gray. With her golden wavy hair and bright blue eyes, she was full of life and joy. She lived with her family in a cozy wooden cottage on the vast open moor. One evening, as a storm approached, Lucy's father gave her a lantern and asked her to guide her mother through the snow to town. Excited for the small adventure, Lucy took the lantern, her face glowing with happiness. As they walked, Lucy danced through the snow, kicking it up playfully like a little deer. The night was peaceful, and she thought the journey would be easy, but the storm arrived sooner than expected. The wind howled, and the thick snow fell relentlessly. Lucy's small figure disappeared into the white abyss as she struggled to see through the storm. Lost and alone, Lucy tried to find her way. She climbed hill after hill, but the path home was gone. Her footprints vanished under the heavy snowfall. At home, her parents grew anxious. They searched through the night, their voices echoing in the cold, empty air. But Lucy was nowhere to be found. As the first light of dawn broke, they found something, tiny footprints in the snow. The trail led them to an old wooden bridge, their hearts filled with both hope and fear. But when they reached the middle of the bridge, the footprints stopped. Beyond that point, there was only untouched snow, as if Lucy had vanished into thin air. Some say Lucy Gray is still out there, roaming the lonely moor. On quiet nights, when the wind whispers, you can hear her soft, sad song drifting through the hills. She never looks back, forever lost, yet never truly gone. And so the tale of Lucy Gray lives on, a story whispered by the wind, a memory never forgotten.